Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. In the last video having to do with this three-part series, I told you about two WordPress plugins that can help speed up your site. I told you about the Yoast SEO, and I told you about the Smush WordPress plugin that will help minimize your images but still have your WordPress website running quickly. And in this video we're going to talk about the third one. So I will link the last two videos in the cards up above, and I will also have them in the description for you to go back and watch when you have a chance. So the third plugin we are going to deal with today is, let's go back over here. Okay, we're back in our dashboard, and the third plugin that we're going to deal with is called WordPress Super Cache. So you go into your plugins, you click on Add New. It's going to open up, and you're going to type in WP Super Cache or Cache. I'm not sure how you say it, but it's the same thing. WP Super. There's a lot of them out there, but this is the correct one to use. ACH. And I want to make sure that I get the right one. And it's the one that has the little speedometer or clock. It's telling you it's going to speed up, and it has over 1 million installations. I had in the auto optimize this one, but it kept interfering with my website, so I had to delete it and install. So this is the plugin you want to do. You click on install now. I'm not quite too familiar with it, but I know it works, so we are going to go in and deal with it together. Click on activate, and we're still using the same website from the last two videos, the AdSense marketing website. All right, so we have the Super Cache in, and it's telling you right here to go to the admin page to enable cache. I hope I'm saying it right. Is it cache or cache? All right, it's taking me there. And then it's telling you what's recommended to turn on. So you turn on cache in, click on update status. And then I think, remember that I also have Cloudflare in as my, I still have Cloudflare. So it's telling me that if I have Cloudflare, that it will work well with it. It says right here, if you have Cloudflare mimification enabled, this plugin may detect differences in the pages and report an error. And it's telling me to test it, so let's go ahead and test to see what happens. And then we're going to go in and we're going to explore each tab. There are more detailed videos here on YouTube that goes into each and every single one of these tabs and tell you exactly what to do. So as it says, it went in and it looked at the website and it's coming back with okay. If there were any errors, it will go in and it will tell me what they were and what to fix. But we are still going to go in and look at each tab. So it said this is more advanced. I believe I did watch a video on the advanced setting on this. And because it's telling us to do the recommended simple, the simple caching, and it will take care of all of it. That's what we do. So we are not going to go in and touch anything here. But one thing we will do after we go through each of these tabs is go back and make sure that our website is running correctly. Okay. We changed nothing in here, so there is nothing for us to update. That's it. I am not going to touch any of these pages. I will go back and watch that detailed video here on YouTube. And if I find it, I will link it also for you below so you could watch it also. And shows you how to go into more detail with this. but it has the site right here. I'm going to enable CDN support. Let me see. Your website probably use a lot of static files, images, JavaScript, CSS files, usually static files that could just be easily served from another site, CDN. Therefore, this plugin replaces any links in the WP content, and WP includes directories, except for PHP files, on your site with the URL provided below. Okay, so it's telling me exactly what it's doing. That way you can either copy all the static content to a dedicated host or mirror the files in a CDN. Like I tell you, I use Cloudflare, and this is something that Cloudflare take care of for you. Okay. And the one thing that we did check off was enable CDN support. So let me save changes here. And let's go into the next tab with content. Wait for that to open up. Okay, it's asking any pages that were expired. WPS Super Cache 1 cache page. So the website is not bad at all as far as having errors. So that's why it didn't find any. Because remember, this is one of those websites that I got from CB Pro, and these are the ClipBank niche websites. So those sites are really made well. So these are all of the bugs that they already they took care of all the kinks before they sold us the website. So that's why I'm super confident and super happy with them. Okay, it's going to look at my plugins to see if there's any issues with my plugin messing with the super cache. Okay, awaiting moderation. Let me see. Let's read the warning. So due to the way WordPress upgrades plugins, the ones you upload to the WP Supercache folder will be deleted when you upgrade Supercache. To avoid the loss, load your cache plugins from a different location. When you set blah 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 to the new location in WP config, WP Supercache look instead, you can find additional details. So it's basically telling you do not load any plugins through here, load it from a different look, which is already what we do. I wonder if I should enable moderation. Okay, enables or disables plugins to remove the text. Your comment is awaiting moderation when someone leaves a moderated comment. No, I'm not going to do that, because that's just going to slow up. It's going to tell the person your comment is awaiting moderation, because I really do, there's no way that I go in and I look, and a lot of people, what they do on these in the comment section is they will put a link to their items. So you know what? No, we're not going to do that. Bad behavior. It says only WC cache and support disabled requires bad behavior in. Nope, we're going to leave that alone. It says domain mapping provides support for domain mapping plugin to map multiple domains to a blog. Nope, we're going to leave that alone. We don't work with the Jetpack mobile theme. And yep, so there's nothing for us to mess with in here. And debug. So this is pretty simple to set up. You just install it, enable caching, let it work, let it do what it's supposed to do behind the scenes, and you go on about your business. And for debugs, fix problem with the plugin by debugging it here. It will log to a file in your cache directory. Okay. Nope. I don't need to do that. IP address only log requests from this IP. So just leave everything alone. Like I said, you come over, you install the plugin, your first step, you go to the easy tab, you enable cache on, and then update status. Test your cache to see if it's running right, and then that's it. There are more detailed videos on here, YouTube, that goes into all of those tabs. When I find one, I will link it below. And that's about it. Oh, the last thing we said we would do would be to check our website to see if it's still running right. So let's visit the website. Okay, and yes, it's fine. There is nothing wrong with our site. Here we go, AdSense themes. So those are the 3 plugins that I recommend that you install into your WordPress website. The first one is up here, the Yoast SEO. The second is the Smush to minimize your images, to make them still comply with the WordPress theme. However, make them a little bit smaller than in order to speed up your site. And the third one would be the WordPress Super Cache, which it cleans up your site even more and get your site to run faster. So those are the 3 plugins I recommend. I thank you for watching this video. As always, I do appreciate it. So remember to please like this video, comment if you wish. Are there any more WordPress plugins that you would recommend that I install? And also subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified of all of my other uploads. I believe the next video that I'm going to make is to show you how to add your website to the Google Search Console. I mean, I did it in another video, but it was incorporated with other things. But I'm going to make a dedicated video showing you how to add your website to the Google Search Console and also get your website verified. Okay? So again, I thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.